Hey kids, welcome to section 5.4, comparison shopping. Today we're going to find the best buy based on unit price. Unit price is something that we talked about in section 5.3. To get ready for today's lesson, ask yourself if you've ever comparison shopped. I do this all the time. I did this weekend when I went to the grocery store and I was trying to decide if I should buy the little packets of Kool-Aid or the big container of Kool-Aid. So something to think about. Here's some vocab for today. You compare the unit prices of products so you can decide which size to buy. If price is the only factor to consider, then the package with the lowest unit price is the best buy. When you are comparison shopping, you should consider factors other than the lowest unit price. So just in general, comparison shopping is when you compare prices to find the best buy. And when I say the best buy, that means it's the cheapest per unit. For example, if the largest size product is the best buy per unit, consider whether or not you will use it all before it spoils. An example of this might be if you're at the grocery store and you're buying oranges. You can buy oranges by themselves, or you can buy a bag of oranges. Maybe the bag of oranges is the better buy, but will you eat them all before they go bad? So there are definitely some things to consider if you are watching your money. If money is no object to you, then just buy whatever you want and go to the checkout. But if you're wanting to save your money and compare your prices to get the most bang for your buck, that's what comparison shopping is. So here are some examples. Example number 1, Walmart sells a package of 4 twin bed sheets for $31.95. Target sells a similar quality sheet in a package of 6 for $49.99. Which store sells the sheets for less per sheet? So in order to do this, we need to calculate the unit prices and then we will compare them. So for Walmart, we take the total price, which is $31.95, and we divide by how many come in the package, which in this case is 4. When I divide, I get $7.99 per sheet. Remember, unit prices always have this per, which in math we can simplify with a slash. Okay, now let's do the same thing for Target. So we take the Target total price, which is $49.99, and we're going to divide by how many come in that package, which is 6. This gives us a unit price of $8.33 per sheet. So the question is, which store sells the sheets for less per sheet? And the answer is Walmart. Walmart's price of $7.99 is lower than Target's price of $8.33. Letter B says how much less per sheet to the nearest tenth of a cent. So to find how much less, I take the bigger unit price, and subtract the lower unit price. And when I do this, I get 34 cents. So for some of you, 34 cents might not be that big of a deal to spend, but for other people who might have a tight budget, you might want to go to Walmart. All right, example number 2, which restaurant offers the better buy based on price alone? So we have 3 restaurants here that each sell a hamburger. We have the total cost and we have how many ounces are in that hamburger. So if we were just based on price alone, not taste or preference, we would find the unit prices. So for McDonald's, we can do $1.29 divided by 4.3 ounces, and that's going to give us 30 cents. So we can write 30 cents per ounce. If we do Wendy's, Wendy's is $2.99 and the hamburger is 6.5 ounces. If I divide those, I get 46 cents. So a little bit more expensive at Wendy's. 46 cents per ounce. And then finally, if we do Burger King, $1.05 divided by 4.2 ounces, that gives us 25 cents per ounce. So as I'm looking at the 3 values in the unit rate, the lowest is Burger King, which makes that the better buy. So just based on price, not taste or preference, the better buy is Burger King. All right, what if we want to go to the movies and get some popcorn? So find the size of popcorn that is the better buy. Better buy, remember, is the lowest unit price. So if I have the small popcorn, I take the total price, $3.60, divide by 12 ounces, and that gives me 30 cents per ounce. The medium is $5 and you get 20 ounces. So divide and you get 25 cents per ounce. Okay, better deal. Finally, the large, $6.40 divided by 32 ounces. That gives you 20 cents per ounce. Ooh, so the better buy is the one with the lowest unit price, which in this case is the large. Awesome. Okay. Example number 4, the price of whole milk in a gallon jug is $2.99. The same milk in quart containers is $1.19. Hint, there are 4 quarts in a gallon. How much do you save by buying milk in the gallon jug? Okay, well, if I buy milk in the gallon jug, that's going to cost me $2.99. If I buy milk in the quarts, I would have to buy 4 quarts at $1.19 a piece, and that's going to be $4.76. So to find how much do you save, you can take the bigger price and subtract the smaller price. And so you would be, excuse me, you would be saving $1.77 per gallon if you were to buy it in the gallon jug instead. So sometimes buying 2 smaller ones or 4 smaller ones might be cheaper. It just depends on the unit prices. All right, kids, if you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.